Hello everyone, good day to you. Today we will continue. Our topic is toolbar overview. So now I open a new image and then I use the previous photo as well to continue our topic. So now I just come in here to unlock the photo, and then today I will continually the toolbar is when select. When select is use the magic wand to select area with similar colors or tone. So the shortcut is W. So once I click this tool, then it come out the mode is new select, okay, add to selection and remove from selection. So this one was touching the previous video. So one is about the tolerance 32 and the filters is 0. So let's check it out. So first, when we select the area we don't want it, for example, this blue color area, I click the button delete. It will look like this. So how about I undo first? So now I change this tolerance to maybe becoming about 100, for example. Okay, so now same, I click this blue color area, but this time you will find the blue color not exactly similar, not exactly the same blue, but will be closer or similar blue, maybe deep blue or light blue. There will be select together. So for example, I click the button delete, it will look like this. Okay, so undo first. So now we try to remain this one as a 32. Okay, so for example, I remain for 32, but this time I adjust or increase the filters from 0 becoming 50, for example. Okay, so now I click the same color, this light blue area. I click, but this time we can see this black and white light area, or this look like dancing black and white, he was select more than the area. So for example, now I click the button delete, it will look like this, look like transparency, the opacity will be reduced. Okay, so this is the filters, this function as well. If let's say we want to increase to 100, so for example, I click this blue and then press the button delete. That means it will increase the filters. So this is the filters function. So now I'm reduced back to 0, and then I undo this all the things and then zoom out a bit. Okay, how to zoom in and zoom out? We press the button Control or Command plus and negative. Like that will be zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so now we try to going to the crop. Okay, crop is very easy to understand, crop. So before that, I will use another photo as well. For example, open a new image, and then this new image is Leaning Tower Pizza. Okay, so for example, now we see this photo, we come to unlock first. So after unlock this photo, we can come to crop. So crop means I want to crop this area I want, and then press the button apply. Very easy, right? Okay, so undo first. So now I'm back to this crop. Here the crop have mentioned about this photo, the width and height, the size. Content just now is mentioned about 3, but this time I choose this one, ration. Once we click the ration, they will come out for one by one and present none. What means or present none? That means when we click this triangle button, he will let you to select the ration you want. So for example, I want like maybe YouTube profile or YouTube channel art. Okay, just choose one of these. Okay, they will come out 800 times 800. Okay, so how about I will use this photo becoming YouTube thumbnail. Okay, YouTube thumbnail is mentioned about 1280 times 720. So that will help you to ratio or size. Okay, then you can click this photo to adjust the position you want. After you're happy this or you want this layout or outcome, just come to press the button apply. Or you want to redo, you want to reset, just press the button reset. Everything will back to that picture, the situation. Okay, so now we going touching about this scissor. This toolbar is look like scissor, but the name or the function name is called cutout or mask. Mask area and remove backgrounds, cutout object or crop, trim individual layer. So shortcut is K. You just press the button K in your keyboard. So now we're going take a look one by one. So this scissor, they have come out a yellow line over here. Is called AI Auto. AI Auto, if come out with this yellow line, means you have to becoming the premium account user. So you will entitle this benefit. Once you click this AI Auto means he will help you to remove this blue color sky, white color cloud, and those people and building as well. So however, you are the free user, so we will going touching about this tool. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools, 2 mode, and 3 shape with filters, and you also can hide remove. Okay, so we take a look one by one. Tool and shape mask, this one is talking about before tutorial, so I think it's very easy to understand. So for example, the mode you choose about add to mode, and then shape is rectangle or circle. Okay, so just click one and then it will help you to remove, look like this. Undo. So now how about the magic mask? Is very easy to understand. We click this one. After we click this one, it will help me to change to remove from mask. So for example, now I click this white color cloud. So he mentioned about magic mask, then the logo or the picture is same like this. So very easy to understand. We click the area, they will help me to delete similar color. Click this one, remove the similar color. So the tolerance means if you want to more than this, you just adjust a bit, adjust a little bit, increase a little bit the number. So for example, this white color cloud, then will help you to remove more than a little bit, like light white color as well. So okay, now undo first. We're going talking about this draw mask. Draw mask is select part of an image by painting over an area. So how about I select this one, that will help me to automatically select this remove mask. And then the brush, he will come with the brush. Brush means you can select. When you click this triangle area, then adjust the size. This one you increase, or you want to smaller. You want to adjust soften or none. None soften means is exactly the shape like this. If you adjust to soften, that means a little bit transparency after you painting or you remove it. And then here also can do the adjusting. So now I just remain 0, and then we try to check it out. Okay, so this one just a little bit bigger. Okay, now we look like this. We can do like this, and then I zoom in a little bit. So this is number 1. So now how about I adjust this to whatever this degree. Then okay, then I paint same. So let's zoom in one more time. So you can see the difference is like the area you adjusting. the area you're adjusting. So how about I also can use this one like maybe 116. Okay, then I adjust one more time. I pay one more time, and then zoom in a bit. So this one is about 30. So this one is about 0 degree. He's like this. Then this one is about 200 or 300 over like that. This one is 116. So every one you can adjust it is suiting for your this project. So after you adjust here, you also can select the basic circular like this look like transparency more, or maybe blur more, or like this small white color dot, but the come out the surrounding this area becoming more transparency. So this is the three kind of this basics circular. This is number 3, look like this white blur dot. This one is more white but the blur is medium, and this is totally like white color circle. Okay, white color circle. So if you want to more adjust this one, instead of you want to choose directly in this column, so is depend of you. You can scroll down and then find out another basic shape like square, star shape like that. Okay, so you can just choose whatever the shape you want. Okay, you can turn it on, adjust the brush, the draw line brush you want. Okay, so now we're going touching about this lasso mask. I think my previous video I mentioned the name is called last call. I'm so sorry about that. So today in this video I have to say this function name or the toolbar name is called lasso mask. Lasso mask is I'm talking about the previous part 1 video. I think this one is very easy to understand. Then press the button delete like this. Okay, so okay, sorry about that, why I'm going to this area. Supposed to be coming here, last call. Okay, then like this drawing, and then he will delete for you. No need to press delete button. So now talking about this high remove. Once we click this high remove means you can see the background. So this one I unhide first. I hide first. Okay, so now we're going to this called guardian mask. We click the guardian mask. They have 2 types. One is a linear, one is a radial. So this is from the deep color going to the lighter color. So now I'm just zoom out a bit, control or command control and command the negative button. Okay, now I'm control Z to back to this original picture. So now I just use linear from the right to click and draw the line to the left, and then we can see and release the mouse, and then we can see the color is like this, from the original color reduce to lighter color. So if I want this effect look like this, then I can choose maybe I click this plus button, I just choose one of my image I want. So for example, I use this one photo, for example, I upload, and then I click this green color, this current picture going bottom or below the original this picture as well. So it will look like this. So how about this picture? I undo first. Okay, I undo first. So now I adjust, I choose the cutout mask as well, but this time I from the bottom part. Okay, bottom part, you can see this plus button from bottom part and drag to up photo. They will look like this. So every time if you use this from the starting point to the ending point, they will be from the strong color going to the reduced color. Okay, so this is called gradient mask with type linear. How about I change to radial? So radial means, okay, so same, I from the left click, drag to right. They will be look like a radial size, like a circle like this. So undo. So now I use, for example, like a bottom end corner here, drag to 45 degree up. They will look like this. So once again, I click the button, and then this time I'm use empty. Okay, empty. But this empty, I will choose the color. I feel the color. Okay, I pick up the color first. For example, I pick up the color. Maybe I want to choose one to this orange color. Okay, then coming to the fill and press the button. Okay, this is the color. Now I drag down. I move to the below area, or I can move the background image going to the top like this. Then this is, you can see these two colors joined together is look like more corrective. Then this is the easy way we make it for the this gradient mask. So I add in one more different color below or bottom part. This first picture, they will come out this kind of effect. It's called gradient mask with linear or ratio. So if you don't want it, you want to check it back, you just click the background photo and then unhide. They will look like this. And then you also can try to check about this triangle area. There can be another tooth, but this another tooth I will mention about maybe another coming soon topic. Okay, so this is today I'm sharing about this about the wen selection, crop, and scissor cutout and mask. I feel sorry about that. I always mention about this function is magic wen. Suppose because this is called wen selection. Because I sometimes use the photopeer, then this tooth we will say magic wen. So thank you for your watching and hope you enjoy this video, and see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.